Hello traders, and welcome to a new video on social trading. This is a topic I haven't covered a lot, but I think that it is a pretty cool way to trade. And back tested wise, you can do a lot with this. Before we get into how to take advantage of these strategies, I currently have a sale on my Delta Neutral trading course. So if you want to learn how to make passive income through various ways of Delta Neutral trading, you can click the link in the description below, take the course, and then you can also join the Delta Neutral chat on Discord. Lots of fun. With that, let's get into Aluna Social. Hello traders, and welcome to Aluna Social. This is a social trading platform with a simple interface, and I believe is currently free and might have a pro version. So let's get into it. Social trading is when you either copy or inverse countercopy any trader's performance. So this is a common technique in hedge funds, even though they do it a bit differently, where they evaluate a bunch of managers or other hedge funds or other quantitative strategies, performances, and then put them into a basket of strategies or of managers. And this, of course, is not hedge fund level manager trading, probably not even close to that realm, but I always love adapting hedge fund strategies into crypto. And this is one of the times where we can do that. Just like the Delta Neutral trading course that was adapting different kinds of fixed income and arbitrage strategies from hedge funds into crypto, we can also do that here with social trading. So let's look at best trades and worst trades and look at some of these traders' performances. Some of these traders I think are going to be bots, and others are going to be actual discretionary, just I buy, I sell, based on an indication that I have. So the best trade currently is someone is up 10.68. We can see that here. So let's go find out, where do they open? Well, let me change this to, let's change this to Chicago time. Nope, was that Lima? What was that? That's the same time zone, but. All right, so they opened at 7:01 on April 22nd, as you can see, and it is still open. They opened, right here. They opened, let's see just how good of an open this was, because if we want to put our money in this strategy, we want to make sure they're opening at a good price. They opened at a local high, but it didn't really matter because, price just like went much, much higher. And if you want to comment something, you can say, well done. But more importantly than that, that's just one trade. Let's go look at a basket of trades that this person has. So you can see that you can either copy or to counter copy this trader. If I want to copy, if I think that this trader is a great trader, I can click copy, and I am now copying his trading activity. Okay? If I click counter copy, I'm doing the opposite of everything that this guy does, or bot does, or she does. All right? Now we can also look at the performance of their closed positions. We can see their open positions are all in nice profit. But let's look at their trade history. I want to know more about this manager. So it looks like they had, 95 long, 92 short. Okay. And let's look at the recent. So it looks like they had a string of not so good trades. They had a string of some decent trades. How were they at the very beginning? Plus 34%. All right, then. That's nice. Yes, you can just look through all of these trades. I can type in here, did they trade NEO at any time? Nope. Did they trade XRP? Did you trade any XRP? They surely did not. All right, give me all your Ethereum trades. And you get all the Ethereum trades. This is how they performed on Ethereum. How have you performed on Bitcoin? You are pretty evenly long and short. Your performance on Bitcoin has been a lot of small losses and then some big gains. All right, but we can also look at the leaderboard, and we can see how some of these traders have done. Now, the kind of sinister part of this is we don't always want to look for the best traders. Sometimes it's good to look for traders who aren't doing too well. I don't know how you get to a negative 1,000 P&L, but I am curious of the 707 positions this person took. This is not looking too good for them. It looks like if you had counter traded, which means that you open short when they long and close your short when they close their long, it looks like it would have worked pretty well historically, as you can see. Just to isolate any one of these trades, let's look at the one that they used. I'll do U on EOS. So we can see that they had, where'd you open? You opened, I gotta change that, come on, Chicago. You opened at 8:01, 27th of April. 8:01, 27th of April. If I had counter traded you, geez, you opened at where? Okay, they opened right here. Not a good time to long in here, as you can clearly see. And they closed here on the wick. So opened here, closed on the wick. If we had shorted here and then closed on this wick, that would have been great. I mean, really, this person may just be having a string of not so good luck. Who knows? But if you want to look at their performance too, maybe there's actually more of a story to tell here. Maybe on Ethereum, they have great performance. Somewhat, I guess. And if we want to follow them, we can. But let's see. Hey, how about on XRP? How are you doing? Jeez. Okay. Well, that's not phenomenal. How about BTC? Are you more long than short? Just about equal. But how's your performance in BTC? BTC USD, because it's like all the other BTCs, Oh, did I not type you in right? Do I have to do that? Oh, perfect. Yeah, so decent on BTC. But this is something you can do. You can look at these leaderboards. You can look for who you like, who you don't really like. Most followed. I think this is interesting. This is the most popular. Really, this person seems to be very popular. One man at a time. It says that they have 1,100 followers. Yeah, this time it's different. All right, so we can see their trade history, and if you like them, if you don't like them. I can see that this trader actually, a lot of their trades were copy trades. Copied. Any counter copying? No, just mostly copying. So all of these trades here were copies, and it looks like they didn't do too well. So I wonder who this was copied from. I wonder if it even says. So, oh yeah. It was BE42 now open to position, and I can see, yeah, all right, I understand. Looks like they shorted. This one didn't do too well. It closed and lost 31%, but where do they short and where do they long? Where do they short and where do they close that long, I mean to say. So they opened 9:01, 20th of March. Okay, that's far back. Looks like 29th of March. Yeah, that's a little too far back for me. But that's one thing you can go to. You can go to Insights. We can see some trades, and we can also see all of the recent trades as well. So such as this person, this person's been very active today. I want to know, what have you done today? And also you can see worst trades of open trade. Someone's down 40% of Bitcoin there. So what are you doing? Well, you are mixed performance. Looks like they're very active, but I want to see where are you actually opening these trades. Now to see that, let's isolate this one. Okay, we can do that by just clicking it. They're down they must have closed 0.35%, but what happened here? This is definitely a bot. I mean, this just feels like a bot, and that's not a bad thing. It's just that the way it is. And this is also very illiquid, but it looks like they opened here and they closed there. So you guys get the idea. This is a wonderful wealth of just a bunch of people that you can look at. You can copy their trades. You can choose to not copy their trades. You can even get an overall individual sentiment to see, are a lot of people going long on Bitcoin? Are a lot of people going short on Bitcoin? And to do that, there are a lot of ways we can do that. One way is I could just look here in the past day. This isn't a big sample size, but I can see that a lot of people are going long, or at least one guy is just going long in really everything. And you could use that as a bit of sentiment, of course. We can go to most followed and worst trades. And if you ever want to counter trade anyone, I think that this is a great platform to do that. As sinister as it is to sometimes counter trade, it can be a profitable strategy, especially when people, let me go back because that was not I did not do a good job of that. Especially when some people are opening, short positions here. This person opened a short position right here. And that would have been a copy prop. If you had traded the opposite and not shorted, you'd be up that much. So with that, I'm going to do it for this video. Use this at your own risk. I think that this is a pretty cool tool you can use to copy trade. And I'm looking forward to this platform becoming more popular, getting some more data so that we can generate some more income from this. With that, Ask me any questions via email, via Discord, or in YouTube comments. Happy trading.